It's not your appearance that matters, but your attitude. You face the challenges, tackle any issues, get the job done. Always using the right tool, always at the right time. Because you are responsible for keeping the machines running and making sure the costs don't go up. You have to meet deadlines.
I know, I'm trying.
Increase the pace. And yet quality
It's non-negotiable.
Everything just has to become more efficient.
Do I really still have to enter that by hand?
Didn't I just reorder the milling cutters last week?
Was that 347 or 743?
You have to optimize, digitize, automate.
And in the end, it's all down to you.
Don't worry, we won't leave you on your own.
Hello? Is anyone there?
We'll be at your side, so you're well prepared for future challenges, with tools built for maximum productivity, with personalized automation solutions,
for greater independence,
a digital tool management system for full visibility of all your tools in one place, with innovative digital tool solutions for accurate documentation, and inventory management solutions that can adapt to your specific needs. And on top of that, we deliver tools more reliably than anyone else in Europe, and we're always there for you in person. Hello, Bernard.
Stefan, good to see you.
How's everything going?
Finally, everything is working great.
Peace of mind for today, solutions for tomorrow.